This is the Military International Drone Racing Tournament at the Australian International Airshow at Avalon 2023. Teams from Britain, New Zealand, Singapore, Indonesia and the Australian Defence Force are competing here to find out who is the world's greatest military drone racing team. After 3 grueling days, the teams have competed, raced, crashed and are ready for the finals. Top 16 is coming right up now. Who do you think is going to win? Let's go!
Ready?
Ready?
All ready.
The trophy is donated by Textron Systems and the winner is Team Australian Defence Force. Mish, Louis, Mac Daddy and Delegator, please